I hope you have heard the news regarding the update of Aadhaar documents. It is now mandatory to update Aadhaar cards that are 10 years old. The last date for this update has been extended until December 14, 2023. The good news is that you can update it online and it's completely free. Please keep in mind that this update is specifically for ensuring that the details on your Aadhaar card are accurate and not for changing the information itself. If your Aadhaar card does not contain any inaccuracies and you have valid proof documents to verify your identity and address, you can continue watching this video. However, if your Aadhaar card requires corrections, please make those updates before proceeding with this tutorial. You can easily update your address online, but for any other changes, you will need to visit an Aadhaar Seva Kendra. Now let's get started with the document update process. Make sure you have all the necessary documents ready to upload as proof of your identity and address. In the video description, I have provided a link that lists all the supported documents. Ensure these documents are in either PDF, JPG or PNG format and that the file size is under 2 MB. You can use your digital voter ID document as a proof. If you don't have it yet, I have created a video on how to download your digital voter ID and you can find it by clicking the I button here. To begin, visit the official website at myaadhar.uidai.gov.in. As always, you can find the link in video description. Click the login button, then enter your Aadhaar and CAPTCHA code. After that, click Send OTP. An OTP will be sent to the mobile number linked to your Aadhaar. If you need help finding the mobile number linked to your Aadhaar, I have made a video on that topic which you can watch here. Enter the OTP and click Login. Click Document Update and then click Next twice. Your Aadhaar details will be displayed. If the information is accurate, select I verify that the above details are correct and click Next. Choose a document for identity proof and upload it. Scroll down and select a proof for your address as well. You can use the same document for both if applicable. After the upload is complete, select I hereby give my consent and click Next and then OK. Finally, click Submit. If you would like, you can download the acknowledgement slip. To check the status of your update, click Go to Dashboard and scroll down to the bottom. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Please consider sharing the video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe.